How to change code on a Smith Locke code lock. Currently locked. Current code is 1234. Locked. On the back, you can see got 1234. Remove the screw. Reset it. Put in your code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. Hold down A. Release. And A should stay down. Put all your codes back anti-clockwise. Your current numbers. And then enter your new numbers by clockwise. So now we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. Push a C. Doesn't work. Put in your code. Turn it. A pops back out. Locked. And now put in your new code. Unlocked. Finish it off. Flip it over. Put your screw back in A. Tighten it up. A becomes solid. Locked. Unlocked. New code